Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on repeating songs on Apple Music. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Getting Apple Music to repeat the same song or playlist over and over is super easy to do. When you are playing the track you want to repeat, tap the repeat icon once to make it repeat the current playlist, and tap it a second time to make it repeat the current song. You'll know it's set to repeat one song because the icon will have a 1 on it. Tap it a third time to reset it and not repeat anything. Tapping the repeat icon once repeats the playlist. Tapping it again repeats the song, and tapping it a third time turns off repeat. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Music tips and tricks.